Hi, friends. Good morning and happy Monday. I thought I'd come on here because a lot of you have been asking me if I can bring Miles to work. Well, here he is. Can you say hi, Miles? Hi, good morning. Good morning. Anyway, so glad we're still working on that one. So glad that you guys are logging in every day. I'm really proud of those students who I'm seeing every day get on and looking at our daily activities on our Digital Learning Day button. This week's going to be special because you're going to see some recorded videos of your fourth grade teachers doing lessons for you. So that's going to be real exciting. Anyway, just thought I'd come on here and say hi and leave us a comment. Miss Slack and I are missing you guys terribly. Let us know how you're doing and how we can help in any way. If you know of anybody else's phone number or how to get in touch with somebody else from our class, call them and let them know, hey, don't forget, you have to log on today. Because there's some friends that I haven't seen yet. Anyway, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and we'll be online, so let us know if you need anything. All right, Miles, hug, handshake, or high five? You want to do a high five? Come here. High five. Have a good day.